What's up, everyone? Yeah, Bang actually might be coming because my parents aren't home, so could be insane. But Bubba finally live. I'm live every day, bro. Come on now. Alrighty, let's do this. Dude, my chair feels like it's gonna break. Holy shit. Wait, the whole day for this stream? Where are you from? Ooh, I'm liking this. Ooh, yeah. Europe, Austria, nice. Actually, I was in Austria over this winter. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be clean. I'm not going back to ICT. Alright, yeah, we have relative equal highs and lows, which is pretty insane. So this is definitely a super probable setup today. Not going back to ICT. Boy. Alright, that's what we got so far. Bearish SMT here. Well, okay, so like if it hasn't chosen a side to go to yet, then it will choose a side eventually, and then you can just catch basically the moves to that side. So for example, if we just keep chopping in this range, and then we finally get like a nice inverse, and then get like one of the Madden playbook setups, then it gives us a perfect entry to either the low or the high, if you see what I'm saying. And the way you can determine that is by just simply looking at the 5-minute gaps, 15-minute gaps, like what are we respecting, disrespecting, and then you can use that also and look at for like a Madden entry playbook. And then you can see like, okay, if the 5-minute is looking like one of these entries, that's the upside, then let me come into the 1 minute and look for the same thing to the upside. For those who are confused in the TikTok chat, I made a whole Madden playbook of IFEG and fair value gaps. It's literally a playbook that has IFEGs and fair value gaps and how to pair them together and like which are the best two together. It's pretty fire. Bro, Gold Killer, get the fuck out of my chat. Bro, you can't be losing 500 before market even opens, man. When did you trade? I'm going back to 505. Guys, literally the sale ends today for Apex, by the way, so definitely stack up on accounts if you can for Apex. Because I have no idea when another 80% or 90% will come out. So definitely take advantage while you can. hypothetically, paper trade this. Let's just see if you entered before market open, what would happen. I never enter before market open, but I just let the forward test things. At what time? It might be ending like soon, like today. I don't know just yet, but it ends sometime today. So I would 1000% get as many as you can today. All I know is it just says sale ends May 20th. So Chris, come on, brother. Was that all on one account for 1100? And what size account was that? Because, yeah, Chris, I would honestly say you're done for the day, unfortunately. That's why I never trade Asia. It literally just fucks you for the morning. Was it 1100 across 5, like added up to 5? Or the 1100 is just on one account across 5? Yeah, you are done for the day. That's why I never trade Asia right there, bro. You cannot trade anymore. Are you on Apex as well? Who are you with? Uh, so is this your top step combine that you're yeah, is this your top step that you're on? That you're talking about? Yeah, okay. So then it's not as big of a deal, but I would still just be done for the day. Call it there, fortunately, unless, and it's up to you always, but I would not trade anymore. I don't care what I do. Would not be doing it. And then the reason I asked on Apex, because if you lose 1100 Apex, you will most likely not be getting payout. Especially if you're only making 750 a day, you would literally be losing more on a single day than you'd have made the whole time. I'm not in, guys. Don't worry. No, I'm not. I'm not trading. I'm not trading. Don't worry. This is. Can y'all not read hypothetical? Hypothetical. I already bought one calendar code with a suggestion on how many to stock up. Personally, um, I would maybe go for like 550Ks. 550Ks is usually like the best bet. Um, in my opinion, it just because then you can go like 2, 2, and then 1. Fake eons. Got up maybe like 30 minutes ago. But yeah, then you could get like 2 accounts copy traded, 2 accounts copy traded, and then you have like 1 account that you can just do on the side, or you can copy trade all 5. I would just always recommend having 2 accounts, so then you can have one funded account and one eval account. So the eval account you can take your emotions out on, and then your funded account obviously you can get paid out on. So, did you? I don't know 999 if you saw my story, but I lost 7.5 G's before I made $1 in trading, and then I've made double that this month. So. And Jackson says, "Piece of the pie model is the best thing that ever happened to me for real." Jackson. Jackson's one of my students. Or Jay. Jay in the TikTok chat. I personally don't really copy emails as much. What time period were you losing? All the way from when I started up, even through freshman year, and then like halfway through freshman year, I started become profitable. So all the way through senior year, all the way through senior summer, all the way through start of freshman year, and then boom, finally made some money. Works for a schedule. Yeah, honestly, brother, Chris, just get off. I would even just get off the charts now. I wouldn't even worry about it. Oh shit, brother coming in clutch, getting fucking Chick-fil-A. Hell yeah. Okay, yeah, good. Just be here to learn. Don't worry about anything else. Oh man. Boys, I don't know. Nobody probably in like the students can see, but everyone on TikTok, Grippo, one of the students, he's one of the better students. He is officially employed. He had an internship this summer, unfortunately, but he's been trading with me literally since like halfway through, just about halfway through second semester. Um, and now, unfortunately, he is employed. It's so sad. He's coming back though. Don't worry. It's just he takes school a little bit more serious than I have, so he's getting his internships in. Yeah, what's a job? Never heard of it. But my model is called the piece of the pie model. It takes basically a lot of probably like your favorite influencers like Dodgy, Jade Cap, a student named Jack Trades, ICT, um, just a plenty of influencers have basically that I've watched. I've kind of taken little pieces from their model, um, and kind of taken things that I like and then things that I've already kind of formulated for myself. And I have taken basically those things, and that's why it's called the piece of the pie model. I've taken a little piece of everyone's pie, put it together to make my pie, and boom, I have my model. But then it's also called the piece of the pie model because I'm only catching a small part of the move. I'm only catching 145 ticks every single time, no matter what. So 145 ticks. If all of a sudden we're going to the upside, and I think we're catching this whole move all the way to Asian highs, look how much I'm only catching. That's the entire move that I'm getting out of the entire move that I'm calling. So once I'm on a live account, I mean, this strategy is going to be fucking ridiculous. I'll be literally probably unstoppable. But as of now, since I'm on funded accounts, I can't really make more in a certain day on Apex. Although once I get my take profit trader accounts going, this will be pretty crazy. But as of right now, I mean, it's literally, and it's just all you need. Um, I think if you only have $3,000 to risk, I think risking no more than 500 is perfect. So you could go to micros and take TP at like TP like at the 145, then hold it all the way through. But I prefer just to go one mini and just take it as soon as I can take it. Yeah, if Apex, the piece of the pie model basically makes you insane at Apex. Is basically what it does. Makes you the best Apex trader that you can possibly be, and then that if you can be good at Apex trading, bro, you can be good at any other firm. I promise you. I'm at the gym right now. Fire. I'm not answering any what's your bias questions. Just broke up with my girlfriend. Let's catch a dub. Fire. Trailing profits hurt though? Not at all. That's why you go break even. Or if you add up what you're gonna make and what you're gonna lose, as long as it doesn't equal the trailing drawdown, you're completely fine. I don't know when I plan exactly on going to a live account, but I know. I mean, Take Private Trader is basically a live account. I do want to get a bunch of Take Private Traders. Next time I get going here. Andrew, can you answer my question in Discord general mode? Just ask it here. Oh, you bought a wealth charts, bro. One of my students did that. Wealth charts, it's really not even that bad. I mean, you can still just like copy trade it over, I guess. 150 off from blowing my funded, bro. I had a student who was 92 away from blowing his funded. He's now $600 out of drawdown. So basically, all you have to do is just trade one micro. Trade one micro, only risking $50, make like $100. He hit like a 1 to 5. He risked like 50 and made like 250 first trade. And then basically go from there. And yeah. Okay, we just swept out London lows or Asian lows. I would expect us to now come take out the highs. I'm assuming we're already getting a nice rejection out of there. Hey, we're coming into 940, 945 macro. Let's see what we can get. This could be hella risky taking a 15-second IPG. I'm not going to take that, but it's something you can think about. Okay, if we make it change delivery out of this, though, I probably will enter, actually. I'm not even logged in. Not even logged in. Which we did. Let's see what's ES doing. Okay, we have an SMT between ES. Perfect. See, if we come back and fill this gap and respect the gap, it's probably where I'll be entering. Okay, now I'm just going to change the delivery out of the gap and out of the order block, and we're good. Okay, I just want to see it close above here. Okay, I'm taking that. Holy fuck, bud. Holy fuck, bud. Holy fuck, bud. Damn, dude. 0 for 2 to start the week, brother. I mean, I can't do much about that. That was, again, I mean, y'all see what happened. Literally entered and immediate fucked. What a dumb trading style. Sure, man. It's literally, losses happen. You can't do much about it. Damn, took the same trade. It is what it is. It is what it is, guys. Trade the 1 minute and turn liquidity grab. Trade the 30-second, actually, pal. Bro, yeah, people can say what the fuck they want. Like, it's like they act like the last 3 weeks of my trading hasn't happened. Like, I don't give a fuck what you'll have to say. Yeah, like, it is what it is. The people who hate on people losing are the people that really don't know how, like, actually profitability works, unfortunately. Time to full port. Yeah, it is. Now it, now it is time to full port, though, the evals. That is very true. Alright, well, that does just suck, though. This account is kind of eating the dirt a little bit. It is what it is, guys. Alright, so basically, we're just going to be full port in 250Ks here. What's it called? My Fun of Futures are pretty cooked, I can't lie. They are definitely pretty cooked. Simon Eckert. Sign up to Chart Champs and use Footprint. You are a scammer. That's exactly why I have my entire track record on YouTube for you, pal. Enjoy. No, Danny. Oh no. Yeah, guys, that's why I also don't. I mean, like I recommend the copy trading, but at the same time, I don't really recommend it. Like at the end of the day, it's not your decisions that will make your account go down. It will be my decisions that make your account down if you do copy trade. Bad PA. Yeah, I mean, I could have easily waited till 10 o'clock. It was a little bit of an early trade for me. Yeah, I did take an L, guys, unfortunately. And that was damn near like the same L as yesterday, bro. I entered, didn't even see green once. That's what it is, though. To win, you need to lose. Facts. Facts, facts, facts. GG. Alright, GG, Danny. Have a good sleep, brother. It is what it is. Yeah, no, literally 1 millisecond got smoked as well. It is what it is. We have swept out liquidity though, so I will definitely be looking to I'm still having the same bear or bullish bias. This is on evals now, so and I'll literally be full port in here. This is gonna be the ultimate full port you're gonna see. Cause I have to make 9K, so I don't even want to know how many contracts are about to come in here. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying. Let me make sure my copy trader's off here. Okay, we are Gucci. Yeah, no, I would definitely. These are my evals, so I'm not really worried about it. Again, I would recommend getting a whole bunch of evals now. Like, now is the time to stock up on evals. It is literally the last day to get evals. So definitely stock up if you can. PA so choppy, yeah, but just wait. It'll be very clear once it wants to go. Told you guys he is a salesman, not a trader. Simon, you can quite literally see my entire track record on YouTube. I don't know what else I need to say, brother. Been in the game for 10 years, it's obvious. Well, you can go look at my videos and then tell me if my trading is still some cheeks and if I need to fix it. Or you can just sit in here and still hate. It's up to you. Wait, actually, let's go check on Simon's account. Let's go see if he's really like this. Oh, no content. Oh, interesting. Fucking loser. Yeah, exactly. I do have a track record prepared for the ones who call me out. That's exactly right. It's exactly for you people. Those are the perfect people to go look at it. So it's gonna be like literally $30 with anyone's code, and then yeah, lol Simon Shaw. Yeah, bro, he probably left the chat by now. Simon, bro, you love to see it. Love to see it, bro. Fucking loser. Yeah, I'm definitely looking to long. PA's looking cheeks. I mean, definitely isn't looking great, but it is what it is. You know, I am looking long as well. Just, I love looking naive people believing a scammer. Nothing more to say to this guy. Here, should I just, here, wait, hold on. We'll show. Alright, well, guys, fortunately, guys, it looks like I mean, these aren't actually my profits. These are my students' profits. Guys, it looks like it's not, my model's not working. Guys, it looks like my model's not working. Hold on, wait, guys. It looks like my model's not working. Wait, hold on, wait. Simon, wait, what'd you say? What'd you say, Simon? Oh, wait. I just saw a certificate somewhere in there. Oh, wait, Simon, what'd you say? Did you say my model doesn't work? Huh? I can't hear you. Wait, Simon, where'd you go? Where'd you go, Simon? Oh, yeah, you shut the fuck up real quick. No, yeah, I love rage baiting, though. I'll give into it all day. All day. Okay, see, that was probably the true manipulation out through Asian there. But still need to see some sort of real push for us to get back to the episode. So everyone's like, I mean, the trade recap on this, it'll be very obvious on why I took this trade. It was my exact model. It was everything I wanted to see. We swept out liquidity, right? And sweep out, not even on just like a random liquidity level, on an Asian low. And if you know my strategy, you know I want to see the power of 3 across. No, unfortunately, Code Andrew does not work on top set. But if you guys know my strategy, you want to see the power of 3 across the sessions. What do we get? Boom, we finally sweep out, manipulate through Asian low. What do we get? We get an IFEG on the 1 minute, but then it was mainly a 30-second IFEG. Which now looking back on it, I should have waited. But the fact that we were this impulsive as soon as we tapped out of this gap showed me that, okay, we were probably ready to move. Then I did even go the extra mile to wait for the extra confluence of the tap into the fair value gap. So we respected the fair value gap and made a change to delivery out of the order block. That is literally everything I'm looking for. My students, they know exactly that is right. And unfortunately, guys, if you're not, if see the people who hate and the people who are like, bro, yeah, your strategy doesn't work, like you just took a loss. Those are the people who aren't actually profitable. Those are the people who have no idea how the statistics work in trading, have no idea how the probabilities work. They have no idea how the whole math goes into actually being profitable. Everyone's strategy should account. I mean, my strategy doesn't account for 10 losses; it accounts for 5. But I know personally I shouldn't go on a 5 losing streak. But everyone says that statistically, your strategy should account for a 10 loss losing streak. And if your strategy can do that, then you will be just fine. But mine only accounts for 5, so I do have to be a little bit more strict. But that still can turn me into a profitable trader very easily. Took the same loss, yeah, it's not anything to be worried about. It's like, it is what it is, guys. And the way I think of it is I only took, one trade last week, right? I took one trade, won that trade, and then didn't trade at all the rest of the week. And then two break evens on Friday, then lost yesterday. So I'm still up 250, right, from Monday of last week, and then just took a loss today. So technically, I'm only down 250 from the time I traded last Monday. So technically, I was still profitable even after yesterday's loss. And then now I've just now dipped under. But even if I just hit one win now, I would be up positive 500 across all accounts. So it's like you can, yeah. I would recommend the 50Ks. I just went with a 150K just because I just want to see kind of how I do on a 150K. You're 275 away from blowing account. Guys, if you ever just get under 500 away from blowing an account, all you have to do is just trade micros. So yeah. You don't got to put a bunch on the table. Yeah, trade of 8 for sure. For sure. Guys, notice how, what's his name? He got quiet real fast. Where'd Simon go? I want my baby Simon back. I'll probably enter. Oh, holy shit. Okay, well, I was going to enter on the 30-minute, but Jesus Christ. See, I don't even know how many contracts I'm going to enter. It's literally about to be like 10. I'm not even going to lie. Let's see. I don't even know if it'll allow me to enter on 10. We'll have to just see. Alright, this is full port city right here, guys. This is eval trading. Don't worry. Okay, let's do it. Bring this on up here. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I do not know the trailing stop too well on 150k, so this could get a little tricky, but fuck it. Fuck it, we ball. Can we scale in for like 5 more? I don't really know. No, we'll just let this John ride. Does anyone know the trailing drawdown on a 150k account? Can someone do the research for me real quick? Because I low-key need to know. This is not fake. This is an eval. So this is technically real. Real but not real. If you know, you know. Okay, so we're gonna about to be already at like 5k here. Yes, I'll probably be trailing pretty soon here. To probably get up to here, I'll probably just trail to like this last candle. 4,500's trailing? Okay, so I'll go ahead and come to break even now then. Eating 22 course. On boss page, pay through my projects. Bro, CR4, why would you full port a PA, bro? Did you mean to? Is it intentional? Oh no. Oh, I'm sorry, CR4, bro. That sucks, dude. Hey, well, now it just means you gotta get another one. Fuck. Talked about SMTs yesterday of fair value gaps, and like IFEGs and stuff, but this would kind of be one of them that I'm talking about here. So we don't have a fair value gap here, but we do have one that we could possibly inverse there. Oh shit. Oh. It's like, yo. What just happened? Okay, low-key don't know if I can trade anymore on this account. Because I might definitely be super fucked in drawdown here. Okay, wait, I'm just gonna switch the other one. Take another one. See, I don't know if I can take another trade on that account. Just so people aren't like, bro, what are you doing? It's fucking eval, bro. I don't even know if you guys can see that. On the 1 minute and 30-second. No, these are both 30 seconds. Quinn. What is it, eval? LeBron, come on, you gotta know what an eval is, bro. You need me to lock in? It's an eval, bro. Chill. This is the last day to be running eval, so take advantage. LeBron tripping. Nah, LeBron's the GOAT, bro. Damn, I'm pissed though, dude. 0 for 2. I haven't gone 0 for 2 in like literally over like 4 weeks, bro. Sucks to suck. That's what it is, though. I would definitely say though, with having the evals, it has kind of messed my patience up just a little bit. I can definitely notice that without a doubt. So that's why I'm also lucky just trying to get through these evals. On 1 minute and 30 second, I'm talking about right now on charts. What do you mean? CISD? Quinn, I'm sorry, I'm a little confused, brother. Oh, isn't this your model? Oh, I didn't even see. Yeah, but like this would be a little bit of like a, you wouldn't maybe want to see this much of a change of state delivery. You'd want to see a little bit of a smaller candle just because your entry is gonna be a little fucked there. But I mean that was kind of my entry. And I mean as you saw, it wasn't the best. But yeah, I did take a trade. I took an L, guys. Fortunately, you guys can see right here. I got fucked. Literally instant L, just like yesterday. Honestly sad. I mean, it happens, guys. Like, it happens. It happens. It is normal in trading to lose. If anyone tells you that otherwise, that is complete bullshit. And that's why I always preach transparency. That's why I always preach following someone who posts their losses, is because that's the reality of trading. The reality of trading is not hitting a $10,000 trade every single Asia session when you guys aren't actually seeing the trades. No, the reality of trading is if you're streaming every single day, you have to expect to lose a trade once every now and then. It is literally what happens. Like if you think any other way, that is not the reality of trading. Even I had a 95% win rate before this week. Before this week. And then I've taken 2 losses in the past 2 days. It is what it is. I've never taken a loss in the 17 years of trading. I mean, yeah, exactly. That's what you get to. No, but it is just so true. Oh, Simon. Yeah, no, Simon. Now you're the one who's what's it called? Promoting. Yeah, get out of my chat, buddy. Simon's calling me a marketer. Guys, join Chart Chumps. Join Chart Champs. My Lambo has a Lambo. Okay, that's kind of tough. I want longs or I want nothing fire. Might want to focus more on your entries. Hold on. Hold on. Got a money spread on you, bitch. Hold on now. Madden playbook. Ooh, too fast with it. Too fast with it. Y'all ain't getting that shit. Y'all ain't getting that shit. Literally every entry you'd ever want out of fair value gaps and IPGs. You're not getting that shit. Simon has been reported times 3 times. Thank you, Lindsay. Don't worry. He's been blocked. No one wants these entries. LOL. Okay, well this was kind of just a full port eval. This was not a real trade, but this trade just unfortunate. Promise you would want my entries if you saw all my trades the past 3 weeks. Let's just say that. Think we're going into the 4-hour FEG? Yeah, definitely. I don't know. The bias is not looking great. Nah, guys are haters. Yeah, don't worry. I just blocked him. If they want to hate, they just don't have to see the stream. Simple as that. They'll want the entries eventually. Let's just say that, and they'll have no way to get them. Yeah, honestly, I bet 90% of the people honestly probably lost money today. PA was just not a good day today, and it kind of sucks. Like I sat out a lot of last week for PA to be really shit. And then like this week, I feel like since I sat out a lot of last week, I feel like I'm kind of just my mental's a little all over the place, wanting to just trade. But in reality, I gotta stay super strong. Yeah, the market has been just super wicky. It has been just gross. But it is what it is. Again, trading is not all sunshine and rainbows. And again, literally based off of Patrick, you didn't go to school, did you? Um, what's it called? Heck no. Shoot, what was I just talking about? I don't even remember. Wait, let me scroll through. Oh yeah, just staying strong. Like I don't know. I feel like just after coming off of last week, like not trading, like I still just gotta have that same mentality of last week, but I feel like I'm just struggling just slightly since I didn't trade really at all last week. But again, I'm only down 250 from the start of last week, and I'm only taking 3 trades or 6 trades. So out of 6 trades, I'm only down 250 for 2 weeks. So for having really shit PA, I'm pretty proud of that. Because I could have traded. This could have been my performance all of last week, and then carried into this week. So why did you take the first trade when it wicked into bearish FEG? It really was a very clear draw in my opinion. If you know kind of how the power of three works between the sessions, you would understand the trade that I took because it was very obvious. I mean, we literally swept like NQ, or yeah, NQ swept Asian lows, and then immediately as we swept, we just pumped straight out. And this was my entry on the 30-second. Once we got the change delivery out of there. Um, this should have been my entry, but then I waited even further until we got the respect of the fair value gap, and then made change delivery out of the order block that respected the fair value gap. That's literally like 5 confluences, 4 confluences within one trade that I took outside of the higher time frame biases. So truly everything was aligning in my way. It just, again, it's not perfect. It's not going to be all perfect. Shit just happens. It's all good. That's why we have an eval account to now have some fun on. You know what I'm saying? That's why I recommend, like, for people who are beginning, I know you guys have a lot of emotions. I know you guys are struggling with emotions and struggling with, like, not trading and all that. That's why I recommend just have a PA account and have an eval account. Once you fast your first funded account, I always tell all my students, just take the activation fee or whatever the fee is to get that account started, and just go ahead and add in buying another eval to that fee. Like, just go ahead and make that part of the fee. It's not even a question of if, ands, or buts. You are just going to buy another eval when you pass your account. This way, so when you go on to your funded account, you don't have all these motions. Like for me, I take one trade, I lose on the funded account, is what it is. Me a half year ago, I would have taken a loss on the funded account and then probably taken another trade on the funded account like a fucking idiot and lost more money. No. Now at this point, usually I don't even have evals, but I've been lucky enough to get some evals. Not really lucky enough. I literally just forgot to fucking cancel the subscription. But now I have some evals, so this is exactly what I'm doing. I can kind of just not really take my emotions out, but I can just continue trading and kind of just continue to be in the market. And then literally all of next week, I will be taking the week off. I'll be on vacation, so that'll be pretty nice. Kind of excited for that. What's the difference between professional and non-professional when signing an agreement? I think I don't really know too much. I think professional, it's definitely feel like you're business related. Um, maybe if you have like your 40 LLCs, if you're like a freelance brand scaler, Lansing brands. Um, you get the indicator by looking up HTF power of 3 by 2 degrees. Where you heading for vacay, brother? My girlfriend's house. That'd be an amazing vacation. I will not be trading or teaching, unfortunately, during that time. But I do have actually a guest speaker who will be teaching the entire group that entire week. He is a 17-year-old profitable trader who is absolutely banking in high school. He actually went to my high school. I'm friends with his older brother. I became pretty good friends with him through this group. And everyone who's in the exclusive group, they know who this is. His name is Splash. But if you guys are new, he is honestly pretty goated, and he will be teaching the boot camp for a week while I'm gone. I'm not in this trade, no. Okay, that'll be pretty cool to have him come on and help the group out. You are a boss. Thanks, bro. Splash stepping up. Yeah, you already know. Splash is goated like that. Telling you, Splash, he'll have his own platform soon. Just wait. He will definitely be doing his own thing eventually. But for now, kind of like, uh, why I haven't looked for a short all day. The fuck do I trade? Piece of the pie model, baby. Baby, please don't go. No. 30-second time frame. Yeah, this is an 150K account, but I've been running triple leverage on this account. Well, I've been copy trading my evals with my funded, so I've been running triple leverage. So if I've lost I've lost two trades, I've lost 3,000. What do you say? Okay. Yo, I heard someone saying about their account being in drawdown and not knowing what to do. You'd be surprised how much you can make with one micro contract and compound wins over just 2 days. Yes, it is so true. Simply by just using micros to get yourself out of drawdown, you will be so surprised how much you can make. I don't trade supply and demand, but I do technically trade like support and resist levels because like the way I look at it, like fair value gaps, order blocks, session highs and lows, liquidity targets, all of those are technically just like support or resistance levels, just depending on how they react off of it. And that's kind of how I trade. Is if we were reacting super hard off of a level, then I'm assuming we're probably going the other way. But if we're not, then I'm assuming we'll probably keep pushing through. So technically, I trade like that, but like it's not. I don't trade like that. I trade smart money concepts, ICT, all those confluences. I know I sound like a broken record. Yeah, okay. So RCAP is one of the students that he got out a crazy drawdown, right? Okay, he was 92 away from blowing his account. He traded 1 to 2 micros because Andrew told me. I made 250, and then yesterday made 348 with 3 micros. So just like that, he went from 92 dollars away from literally blowing his funded account to now 250, and then now plus 348. So he's up like just about $600 um, in just a couple days from literally going from 92 to doing pretty good. So it's a fair value gap indicator called, so just called fair value gap indicator. You're all my indicators, guys. So I could do this once a stream at least. Yeah, and all my indicators are in the free Discord with all the settings and everything. What do I think changed my trading the most and how I see the charts? Honestly, I think streaming helped me change it a lot. Because like I don't know, when people come on here and they're like for what's his name, Simon, for example, he's coming on here hating like, bro, you don't know your model, blah blah blah, and like low key, those were like the thoughts that I would have in my head. Like those are the thoughts like when I took a losing trade, like, bro, yeah, what was that entry? Like, bro, what are you doing, bro? I need to change this. I need to change that. But then in reality, like literally what kind of changed that was once I started streaming and I see like these people hating, but I know literally what I'm doing is working. That's where I was like, literally, like, I mean, it was kind of like the thoughts that I was having in my head just got projected onto a screen. And those, I can literally just look at those thoughts and just laugh at them straight to their face because I personally, I mean, there's multiple things that made me have faith and confidence in my model, but once I back tested for literal hours a day, proving to myself that I can make $3,000 on a back testing session, that I have a high win rate, I have the RR to be profitable. Once the statistics showed me that I was profitable, and I just had to go out and actually just follow that plan, that's when like once I started executing that, once I got my first payout, I was like, dude, like, I don't give a fuck what I have to say about my trading. I don't give a fuck what you guys have to say about my trading. I know what I'm doing is working. I mean, literally, I have the results to prove it. I can prove it every single day to myself without even not even asking. And then also, once I started teaching other people my model, and people actually started seeing success with my model, like it wasn't just me actually having success; it was other people having success. That's when it like really, really clicked. That's when I was like, okay, nobody can tell me nothing about my model. Nobody can say anything. I know exactly what I'm doing is working for me and other people. So how can anyone say anything about what I'm doing? And that's when my trading changed for the best. That's why, like, I literally just laugh at these people in my comments who are like, bro, what are you doing? Like, literally, I know what I'm doing. You don't know what you're doing. You're in my TikTok chat for a reason. Let's just say that. And that was low-key my model right there. Okay, I think I might full pour again here. Wait, let's see. Got me begging. I don't know what I just heard downstairs. Loki was terrifying. Okay, I think I'm gonna enter there. Again, this is an eval, so don't be freaking out saying, yo, this is fake. You got me begging. Baby, please don't go. If I wake up tomorrow, will you still be here? This account might be blown. Oh no, that account is gone forever, nowhere to be seen. Rip. Rip that account. Do we just full port the other one? Guys, again, this is just an eval. Do not trip. Yeah, rip account. It's not data enrolled. See, it's like that's the thing. Like a lot of you guys are tripping over $30. Like, I'm sorry if you're like spending a whole month, worried about $30. Yeah, I don't know. You've got a lot to. You got to put your big boy pants on because you got to realize you're risking more than $30 a trade, anyways. So, all right, yeah, Quinn, this is on you if I lose this account then. All right, now we'll do the My Fun Futures. Hold on, we'll save this one. We'll do My Fun Futures. It's good. Oh, sweet. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Secured the chicken biscuit. Thanks to the brother. Fire. Where did I buy my fundeds? That was an Apex 150K, and again, the sale ends today. But now this will be on a My Fun Futures. These are the ones I didn't even mean to pay for. This one I'm low-key pissed about these accounts, but it is what it is. So this one I'm literally just gonna toss like 3 in here. I literally can't even lose like $100. So this is gonna be mad risky, but it is what it is. This is super risky. So these accounts will probably get blown in like seconds, basically. If I go into too much of drawdown here. Baby, please. Yeah, guys, please do not think this I'd actually trade. It's just eval trading. And again, I don't recommend people trade like this on evals. Just again, I'm perfectly confident in what I'm doing, and I know that I can pass evals consistently, so it's really not something I'm worrying about. But for you guys, if you're still in that passing eval stage, don't treat evals how I treat them. That's not a good mindset to have. Unless you do think you're confident in your model and you do think you can pass consistently, then go for it. But again, if you're not fully confident in what you're doing, then maybe not the best idea. Y'all about to see me fuck this fucking chicken biscuit up. Holy shit. Damn, I thought for sure I'd be kicked out of the account by now. Wait. I did get kicked out of the account. Rep. Yeah, won't even let me close. Alright, next account. We'll get a vegetable. Dude, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. eval trading is my favorite shit to do. Gamble stream. Gotta love it. It's like this is the perfect time though when PA's shit. Maybe not the perfect time, but good time to just run the evals. Like honestly, you got nothing else to do. Maybe not. That's probably terrible advice, but lock in, bro. It's eval trading chill. Bro, no. I'm telling people not the fault. Like, bro, you guys can copy trade me however you want. I don't tell you guys to take these trades. I literally just told you guys this isn't how, like, I know I can pass evals. This is how I personally pass evals, and I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this for a year and a half. You guys, if you're in a different position as me, don't even maybe have a payout, then yeah, it doesn't make sense for you guys to do this shit. But I have plenty of capital, plenty enough knowledge to understand what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and like let's just say I'm good. I'm not tripping about 30 bars. And again, I've never once told anyone to copy trade me. Never once. Not even my students. I tell all my students, I think it's best if you guys don't copy trade me. But again, it's always up to you guys. And boom. Alright, we're just running through accounts right now. Again, these accounts were only $200 away from drawdown anyways. So, it's what it is. You got me running, baby, please don't go. Yes, this is technically demo. For those who are like, what are you doing? This is technically demo. Not everyone's doing a Minecraft speedrun, not an eval speedrun. So facts. And I should have just ended stream because honestly this probably does like hurt my reputation. But this is the honest, like this is as real as it gets, guys. This is probably what a lot of your streamers are doing off stream. And I'm showing you guys. I show you guys everything. Everything I show you guys. Yes, that would be a change day delivery. Or cap. I show you guys me blowing evals. I haven't really blown any funded since I started streaming. But I show you guys blowing evals. I show you guys quite literally everything. What did FBZ say? Bro, I didn't tell you to lose your account. I didn't tell you to take any of those trades. None of that is on me. None of that is on me, brother. And if you're copying these trades, I don't know what to do. Like, these aren't even setups. I'm just entering because it's going up. It's kind of how you have to treat the evals, so. But again, like, go find another trader who's going to post his L's. You guys will see my L today. I'm not buying you an account. That is on you, brother. Go find a streamer who's going to post them doing evals. Like, it happens, bro. It happens. And this is the reality of trading, but I show it all. I show it all. Trade event with trade view. Okay, Reggie, all you gotta do, just scroll on down to the trading panel, find Tradeabate, and then just log into your account with whatever your credentials are. If I wake up tomorrow, would I still be here? Bro really said buy him an account. Yeah, I know. That's how people be, though. Dude, I get people hitting me up all the time asking for accounts. I'm like, dude, I don't own these companies. I just like the brands and like to promote them. Name another streamer who's about to eat a chicken biscuit while trading, too. I don't care if y'all call me fat or what. I'm about to eat this shit and hit drawdown. Bro, FBZ, no! Don't take this trade! I just got stopped out. I only have one more account left. I'm lucky ready to just be done with these accounts, so I never want to eval trade again. Wow, this guy's so bro. It's eval trading. Chill, bro. I'm literally just gambling. This is full-on gambling. This is what we call gambling. It says gambling to its finest. I only got one more account. I'm truly just ready to be done, so. Yeah. I made a lot more than 5K last week. Let's just say that. I was making 5K a day last week. Just about. No, I've not taken any more trades on the Fundeezy today. That's a fire name, Fundeezy. Nah, Fundeezy is one trade a day. Don't worry. External liquidity? Yeah, I can give you guys a quick little example. External liquidity is just simply this. So this would be, like, if we're trending up, this would be your internal, this would be your external. Simple as that. Then vice versa. Oh shit, I just removed all drawings. Fuck. I don't know. Bro, I blew my funded because I put 5 cons on, instantly got liquidated. Fuck. Yeah, I got you, Cameron. Nah, I'm done for the day. Try to make a stop loss on a buy order. How to do this shit? Okay, Jack. Come over here. Click the little like plus button right here. So if you have a mouse, click the little plus button, or if you're on your phone, just like hold it down so you get like the little create order. Click that and then put the it would be a, if you're in a buy order, a sell stop would be, yeah, what you want. Yeah, got you. And then just make sure when you get closed out of the trade that all positions get closed, because since you entered it after the fact, it might not. I don't know when you said this. I can't really say your last name on YouTube. But yes, I live trade every single day. Every single day. That's why I also don't give a fuck what anyone says. Like, y'all can come in here every single day and see how I actually perform. Like, I don't care. Like, yeah, I've taken 2 losses today, but coming here tomorrow might be different. Coming here a week after might be different. Accumulated on 5-minute. If we manipulate up, even if it's changed the video, should be looking for it to go down again. I don't know. I feel like the manipulation, usually it has to be something that's tapping into a gap. So I feel like the manipulation's already happened. We might just be waiting for like a higher time frame move to be put in place for us to actually move higher. So like, yeah, my manipulation was sweeping into the Asian low. I lost 7.5 grand before I made $1 in trading. That was over like a year, and then this month I made 15. So trust me, it's worth it. That's the thing too. Like, I'm not really tripping at all about this month. Like, bro, I've had a crazy fucking month. I literally went from like a couple grand a month to literally this month in 20 days into a month, up 15 G's. So like, is what it is. If I end this month all right, like, who cares? Like, I don't care. Yeah, RCAP. I definitely do look. I am definitely looking into getting into real estate. I do want to save a little bit more because I do want to kind of have a live account as well. So I do. I don't know. I want to definitely get into real estate. Definitely want to get some side businesses going. I don't know. I definitely just want to do a lot of things with my money, but as of right now, I'm just saving as much as I can. Just simply saving, saving, saving. So then, like, if I am ready to like find like a business partner or someone wants to like go split a property with me or start a business, like I'll have money to actually fund it. I'm not in crypto, nah. Yeah, today's just a shitty ass day, bro. Like, what are we doing? Honestly, I would get off by 11. By 11, if you don't see a movement to the upside. Yeah, 11:30's valid too, though. I have traded forex. Um, how much do I make a month doing this? Well, I've lost 7.5 G's to get to this point, and then this week or this month I paid double that. So making over 10K a month at 19. And I'm dropped out of college too, so let's just say the grind was worth it, and all that money gone was 1,000% worth it. Not a question in my mind. Not a single question in my mind if that was worth it or not. When did I start? A year and a half ago. In this exact seat. In this exact seat, year and a half ago. You guys can see my whole story. I posted my story on YouTube. It's literally just 45 minutes of me talking, unedited, raw. Just me going for 45 minutes, talking about my story. And I posted my story. Haven't really got any submissions, but literally, if you guys go make some fire edits out of that video, I will let you in the group for free. The top 3 people that make the best edits, you guys can get in the group for free. The exclusive group where I literally host class every single day and live trade. Yeah, it's a competition, RCAP. Don't worry. The video's on YouTube. Again, it'll be the best submission. So whoever has the best couple edits, they will get reposted. I'll at you, and you might also get possibly hired for an editing job. You'll be in the group lifetime for free. If you make the best edit. So the top 3 will probably get in for free. Just gotta see how many edits I get. Like if only 3 people DM me with edits, then maybe only like the top 1 person will get in. But if I get a whole bunch, then it will definitely be coming down to the top 3 people, and those top 3 people will possibly get hired and get into the group for free for lifetime. For life, yes. You get the group for a week, and then you have to pay me $1 million. I do teach a couple friends. Not really family just yet. I do hope to eventually teach my family. But as of right now, I do teach some friends. I have a couple friends in the exclusive group here. But then a lot of the people I'm teaching though are just people we're finding on social media. Do I teach my brother? Unfortunately not. I'm hoping to eventually though. I am 19. How many members do I have? Ooh, let's look right now. I don't even know. I think it's up to like 50. Let's see. We got 27 online right now. We got 27 online, 29 active or inactive. So that's about like 50, 56 maybe. Yeah. It's pretty cool. All the prices are listed. I'm literally link in bio. I don't think I can like talk about prices I get. I think it's TOS. Ooh, that was low key the order or the entry amount right there. So like dude, my entry model is just not working today, and you just have days like that. Like it just happens, unfortunately. Let's gamble. Oh, I'm ready. I'm fiending to gamble. You already know. As soon as this account's done with, though, I'm canceling my Fun Futures subscription so fast. So fast. Not even funny. During break though, during my vacation, I will be doing eval trading, but on Take Profit Trader. So I'm gonna try and get like 2 to 3 Take Profit Trader evals with the 5 apexes I have right now, and just see what I can have some fun on those. I didn't buy. I bought 2 accounts, but I accidentally was charged 4 accounts. So I have 4 My Fun Futures that I literally just forgot to cancel, which I'm still kind of pissed about. That was like $400 just down the drain. And then I bought two 150k Apexes that I also just ran through. So I still actually have one of the 150ks. Which I might trade on that after. We'll see. But yeah, just a rip in the chat type of day. See, I'm probably gonna actually. Yeah. I come in now on this one. Literally just gonna close my eyes on this one. Whatever happens, happens. And then we'll go back to the whatever. So yeah, for those wondering, down 500 on the funded account, unfortunately, or defunded. But it is what it is. So let's see. Okay, we're still in on that position here. Oh, dude, my mouse is all greasy. This is gross. I have my copy trader up so I can like see what's going on with the account over there. My fun futures. Exactly. Wins wouldn't feel good if it wasn't for losses. That's very true. Yes, that is an order block, correct. Correct. Yeah, PA right now is depressing, low-key. You can go 12. 12 would be insane. Alrighty, we are in. Yes, I am full porting. These are evals again, so don't trip. Think I could scale in on 5 here? I'd say no way, but let's see. Oh! Alright, 15. Oh, Jesus Christ. Bro, the numbers are just gonna fly if we actually get like the right move up. Yeah, liquidated. Wah, wah. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this has been the best feeling just getting. Yeah, this is fake, don't worry. That was an eval count, don't worry, guys. Don't even trip. Alright, thank God. I didn't. Low-key was kind of pissed I even had evals in the first place. I don't know why I bought those. My fund futures. I literally just want this account to get liquidated at this point. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I really don't want to pass this account, being so serious. But you never know. What's the difference between rules for Apex and Take Profit Trader? Take Profit Trader, you can basically get paid out like same day. They're definitely one of the better options. I'm not trading gold, bro. Ah! Bro, it just sucks when like the losses, like I don't even get break even. Like that's the worst feeling. I'm not gonna lie. When you can't get break even, like I don't know, there's just something about that feeling, bro. Like when you just take a loss and you don't even get a go break even, it's just like damn. Alright, well this John might have like genuinely cook. Looks like he might have just accidentally passed funded here. what it is. Yep, our cap, you see, yep. You see how that's exactly what I was talking about yesterday, how it's respecting the order block. It's almost like a fair value gap. Do a funded giveaway, I wish. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. I'm not that close with these companies yet. Although they are my favorite companies, I would love to be doing that in the future. Just I literally am not there yet. Perfect girl for me. I mean, like, bro, this is just like, bruh. So this is like the piece of pie model. I would have only been catching like a small piece of this move. But that's what it is. Your face. See, like, and I'm not gonna be like some of your favorite influencers are then gonna go like clickbait this, be like, oh my god, guys, what am I getting? Look at how much we're up in money. Oh my god, guys, this is across 500 accounts. No, this is literally an eval. It's like, okay, for people who've been in here for the past like 15 minutes, watch the new people come in and just watch the tide shift. Just watch. It's gonna go from, bro, what are you doing, to my draw on liquidity is your mom's house. Oh, I'm just kidding. London highs and London highs and Asian highs is my draw. Indicators, here you go. They're all on my free Discord. The whole video on how to set them up as well is all on my free Discord. Quinn with the Squid Games gif. Oh shit, Quinn! Ooh, he's getting stinky. He actually took this fire. Quinn, you took the one good trade I took today. Oh, it's on practice count. Damn. TP. TP is probably like all the way up here, but just as soon as I see a pass the account, I'll just pull out. I am looking for Asian eyes though. Get Rudy on the stream. Oh, I thought that was random, Patrick. Is Rudy up here? No, that's not a change state delivery. If they closed even one tick below the candle would not make it a change state. But in this circumstance, I don't know. With how much momentum, bro, on the 5 minute, I would probably say because we closed above like damn near 4 other wicks. So hard to say. Yes, I only took this on an eval, guys. I did take an L. Womp womp. I'm quitting that gift is funny. In your face. She's a perfect girl for me. I'm not gambling 50K. It's an eval, so I'm only risking actually. This trade was crazy. I only risked like $200 here. I literally only could have risked 200 because I was in like full daily drawdown. Bro, one of my boys from high school. He's like 2 grades below me, but he posted this. When they ask what your biggest fear is, and you can't say a job, so you just say spiders, but it's low-key so facts. It's honestly one of my biggest fears growing up was getting a job. Yo, Frisk, are you still in here? Just popped up on my For You page. How to trade with no emotions. Yo, quit or Frisk, that's actually tough. Me, a Cindy Swing. Cindy Swing. Yeah, for people all hating last week, bro, literally, not last week, but the week before that, bro, I made 10.5K in 3 days. Like, come on now. uh, Favorite indicators. Kaboom. Screenshot it. 3, 2, 1. It's all on my free Discord, so. But I'd see my parents around. I'll give you guys a loud ass bang if not. Bang, bang, bang! Oh my god, bang! Dang it. My mother is home. Can't come in. Oh, I literally just scrolled to my fucking, like, what is this? Let's go, guys. Wait, you guys can't even see the position. Player. Burning on my skin. Do you burning? Damn, Dodgy. Bro. It's okay. He didn't catch this banger though. La 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 la. Alright, about a third of the way there. Let's just keep on pushing. La 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 la. Gonna be 40. I'm trying to be myself. Alright, yeah, sorry, I just haven't been reading chat. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I would definitely recommend buying some Apex evals. I personally do not like my fun of futures. Fake Andrew trades, just DM me. Should I respond? Yeah, respond with just a picture of me in the live being like, yo, is this you? Did I show up on your Are you Frisk, Chris? Is Chris, are you Frisk? Just bought an eval for the first time. How does this explain? Explains to me like a baby. Okay, you just gotta make 3,000 without losing 2,000. That's it. And you can't and the trailing drawdown. So basically, whatever you'll make in one trade, add that up to whatever you would lose in one trade, and as long as that's not over, 2,500, you're good. Only for, what's it called? For Apex though. Price target 21,483. On my skin. This is an eval, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I'll maybe take this position. Gambling. So straight up with you. If you've been in here for a minute, you know that. Fat SMT. Sure we do. I'm holding and I don't really care. I'm just literally holding until I can't anymore. Meal Dolphin. Yeah, but a lot. Cab, I'm pulling out right there. Okay, now we go for the true position here. Can you wait for the re-entry or... Guys, no, this is an eval trade. There's no actual bias behind this trade, to be honest with you. Or there is a bias, there's just not really any true confluence behind it. I did just catch a pretty crazy move. Yeah, my bias is definitely still bullish, but I might literally just scout this all the way through. Wait, was I in on 5 contracts there? I don't think I was, no. Wait, was I in on 5 there? No, I was only in on 3. Okay, I was like, what? She can get a no boom boom. If we re-inverse this guy, then I can come back in. But if not, I will not come back in. This might be a crazy scout performance you guys might see here, because I literally might sell and then wait till we sweep some sort of key level, and then they just buy back in. 500 left unfunded. Trying to revive it, bro. Don't try and revive it. Just let it be. Just save it tomorrow. Price action today. Price action was awful. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, don't worry about it today. Okay, well, I don't know. This isn't really a valid position. I just feel my intuition feels like we're gonna draw down before we actually take out anything higher. Okay, when I'm eval trading, it is mainly intuition. I cannot lie to you guys. There's not a lot behind my eval trading. She can get her no one bone. Do not copy trade me for the love of God, guys. For the love of Jah. This is eval trading, so I'm not as serious as I'm usually. This is the last day of eval trading this week, though, so see how this goes. Okay, perfect. Yeah, price action has just been mad stinky. Mad stinky. Sort of fake girl down, still dreaming. They hate on me. I don't know the reason. Cause I know they dreaming. Cream sort of fake girl down, still dreaming. Look at them cars now. Go for them scars now. So Patreon is trying to go like 50% of the fair up here. Still dreaming, they hate. So now they sleeping, I'm right awake, but shit, I'm still dreaming. Cream soda fake girl. Dreaming, they hate on me. I don't know the reason. If I wake them all up, cause I know they sleeping. But shit, I'm still dreaming. I wanna with them cars now. Thankful for them scars now. I think 200 exactly is 3 bandos. So see if this can rip. I don't know if we're gonna get. This is definitely a push to come all the way down here, but we'll see. Jumping like it's research. Ooh, low-key, I actually need to make a little bit more. Should be good. What is my strategy? I mean, it's called the piece of the pie model, but guys, this is not really my strategy here. This is eval trading. Eval trading is always going to be different than funded trading. Got this shit jumping like it's recess. Recess. Putting an account up. God, I'm still dreaming. Ooh, 5 minute. That was a crazy close. Yeah, we are dumping. Boys, what did I tell you though? I literally told you guys my intuition's telling me we're probably gonna take our orders to the downside before we move up. And we might get a bang here. We might get a bang here. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. You know what's coming. You know what's coming. Be aware for the beast that lurks. How long have I been muted, bro? Nah, I can see myself talking. I was like, what in the fuck? Bro is not going to make a clip with the eval. I probably will, actually. Although we are respecting the... we're kind of respecting the Asian low level. Let's see if we keep pushing. Interesting. Interesting. Debating currently. Am I still muted, guys? Or cap? I don't think I was ever muted, but I think your show was just glitched. Okay, probably. Money on money counter, cream soda, fake girl, damn, still dreaming on me. I don't know the reason, finna wake up all up, cause I know they sleeping. Shit, I'm still dreaming. Okay, this will probably actually be my sell stop here. Still secure. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull up there. Once we get back to like 1500. Go ahead and pull out right there. Alright. No bang for you guys, unfortunately. Glasses off. Okay, so we've literally gone from 4,700 to 5144. Ridiculous. Let's see what the account summary is looking like. Account summary is up like 3.6K right now. So yeah, that's how you get an account back. Aiden in the chat, goated, bro. Goated. Yeah, this is how you get an account back. Everyone hated, but just flip that John for y'all. Now I'm literally probably just gonna reverse the tide here. If we close above the 50%, I'll probably in. I don't know. Can y'all hear me? Arcat, or can everyone else hear me in the Discord? Okay, yeah. So I don't know what's going on. Okay, yeah, there we go. So guys, I knew we were gonna wick into that. I just called it. That's why I pulled out. Trading against the trend. With an eval, so I don't really care too much. Okay, our cap fired journal. Jesus. See, okay, I would say, I don't want to say it's a little too much, but like, I never personally went that in depth into my journal. I kind of just kept it very basic. I kept literally just my thought process, the very basic things that I saw, and that's it. I tried to kind of, because I feel like that's almost a little overcomplicating it right there. Because if you're doing that every single day and it's just kind of a task rather than something that's just easy for you, that is going to kind of fuck you over a little bit. How many funnies do I have? I have 5 currently. Not it's easy. And if you find it easy and you enjoy it, then go for it. But for me, like doing that much would just overcomplicate things slightly for me. Yeah, I don't know what to do, RCAP, for you, brother. Just maybe watch my TikTok stream, bro. I don't know why it's cutting out because no one else is having problems. Yeah, consistency over complexity with journals or anything really. It's true. Chris, would you send me a message? I would just ask the questions in the TikTok chat, Chris. Because all questions can just be asked in TikTok, or not in TikTok chat, in the questions tab within the exclusive group. Need your edit. There's a lot of content for you to edit with posting. Now that I post all the live streams on YouTube, it's literally just infinite content for y'all to make edits on. Infinite content. Well, I don't really know what went wrong if I can't see your trade. Like, I'd actually have to see your trade. I can't really have context based off of just like 1 hour fair value gap. I have no idea where that 1 hour fair value gap lays. I have no idea where the 5-minute order block and 5-minute change data delivery lays. You'd have to like send your actual execution. Yeah, I'm definitely longing this. I'm not shorting at all. What do we need? 1600. All right, this is basically the piece of the pie model right here. So let's look for my piece of pie. Evan Wickers. I was like, oh no, Brennan, don't do it. I was like, what are the odds there's someone named Evan that knows a Brennan? And it happened to be Evan Wickers. Alright, that's his actual last name. It is Wiggers, alright, chill. That is his actual last name. Y'all can click on Evan for yourself. Sorry, Evan, I just like absolutely fucked you right there. Oh, Jesus Christ. How did I catch the up move? I just caught the up move. Dude, I don't know. These are eval trades, so it's a little bit different. You guys will see my actual trade recap, technical analysis for the day. Don't worry. Our cap again. I can't really determine what's wrong with your trade unless you set an executions. Okay, yeah, that's all. I'll answer that personally then, Chris. Personal stuff I do ask. Just DM me. That is stuff that I don't want you guys to put in the questions tab. If it's personal, yeah. But if it's just some bullshit question, or not bullshit question, but if it's just a question about trading, like related, that's not really personal. There's no reason it should be DMs, because the DMs, I will not see your guys' DMs unless you specifically tell me to go check them. At least on Discord. On TikTok and Instagram, it's a little bit different, but. As I say, if you guys are gonna hit up my Andrew trades on Discord, it's not me. If you join the free community, I bet you'll get a hit up. It is not me. I only have one social media, one TikTok, one Instagram, one YouTube, one Discord. There's not multiple of me. I'm not gonna hit you up first. I'm not gonna text you first. None of that. So please do not get scammed. Cream soda fake. I have made over 10K this month. I've dropped out of college and I am 19 years old. This is NQ. Facts. Everyone, if you need some fire clothes or need some drip like what I got on, go on to Depop. Pat Fines is the GOAT. We can do a little fit check real quick. Tight shit, tight shit. Ooh. 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 I got the shorts on, tight shit, and then socks. No socks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, that's what happens, dude. I come straight out of the shower and put a headset on, bro. That's what happens. Oh my god. Dude, that's what I'm buying headphones soon. Don't worry, guys. RCap just clipped me. No, bro. Oh, jeez. It's so funny. Nah, that's what happens when you wear a headset and have a buzz cut, bro. It's a pretty bad combo. Alright, I'm probably gonna enter there. Can't see. See if we can kick. Were you entering on the 5-minute there? Because if that's a 5-minute entry, I personally never enter on 5 minutes, especially with the piece of the pie model. If you're only risking, if you're a small risk, it's gonna be you enter on 30-second. Is that the 30-second entry? You then gotta show me your entry model as well. I just don't think that the 5-minute or the 15-minute is ready to deliver truly all the way through price yet. So. So right now we're tapping into a fair value gap. We might just disrespect the fair value gap and just push lower. It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, so I mean, I just don't think price was right to deliver. I think it's as simple as that. No, this is, what's it called? This is an eval. Yeah, so, no, the wick, that's not nonsense. It probably went to go take out orders. Because I had an order down here. There was an order block down here. It just took out a whole bunch of orders and kept moving higher. Oh, wait, Reggie, bro, you don't need to be making a Tradeovate account. Log into Tradeovate with your Apex credentials. Slept through your alarm. Ooh, sucks. Yeah, Reggie, you do not need to be signing up for like a professional or whatever. Yeah, RCAP, I would not trade at all for the day. Once you take your loss, be done. Nah, it's not actual trade, Patrick. I'm done for the day. This is just like getting another certificate. We're getting more funded accounts. It is 130 to activate the Apex account. But if you're someone who doesn't know if they can pass evals, that is the best way to go about things. Okay, I'm about to low-key hop out of this. Yeah. Okay, this is a little scary, the range we're in right now. Okay, I'm probably just going to split positions here. I'll wait for some sort of rejection and then probably look lower here. Togi-sao, yeah, this is basically Togi-sao. This is evals. I don't know how much more I can explain to you guys that this is eval trading currently. Eval trading. Reggie, go into Apex, and in the it'll show you your credentials. It'll show like your login. Put those credentials into Tradeovate, and you'll be good. You did, and then what happened? Because you should never get to that screen. I'm funded with Apex right now. That's what you got. So when you put in your credentials, that's what you got? Yeah, after stream, I can help you fix it. You'll just have to share your screen or something. I'm not trading my real funded. Well, I did actually trade. I took one trade on a real funded, but that was it. Don't worry, didn't take multiple. These are all eval trades. I think I have just over 8 payouts, maybe now, maybe 10. I have to actually go look. Jackson has requested to speak. What's up, brother?
Yo, bro.
What's up? What's up?
So like, I already took a loss, and I got off.
Yo.
But you think that if we inverse this 5 minute, is that like you think the price action is shit, or you think it's possible
No,
that
if
we
you already
go
took a
up
loss, you're
tonight?
done for the day, Jackson. Fortunately, just don't even think about another trade.
All right.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
But are you gonna take it on your like eval or something?
I mean, I'm in on trades right now on my evals. I've been gambling eval all day. This is my last eval that I have. I'm just kind of ready to get these over with. Like, I do not want to be thinking about evals anymore. So
All
basically,
right.
whatever happens. I am basically expecting that this 5-minute gets inversed. That's kind of what I'm anticipating.
All right, then I'm off. Peace out, bro.
Alright, this is brother. That was Jackson, for anyone wondering. He was the one who got an 87% win rate on backtesting last time. or when I posted. Kid is not even 16 yet. It's insane. Insane. Yeah, so anyone who thinks they're not, for anyone who thinks they're working hard, or thinks, nah, I don't really got too much competition in trading, so good luck, pal. Competition's gonna get even better. Alright, back to us with FX replay. The fuck is going on? Yo. The fuck was that? When price is going to TP. This is what PA makes me do. It turns to a fucking helicopter. I love you. Yeah, Apex is still $30. Only for today, though. Today's the last day. So definitely take advantage. I love you so, gonna let you go. I love you so, gonna let you go. I love you so, I could never let you go. Never let you. I want TP. OTP, OTP. Please come to me. I want to see you smash through and fill me. I want you so. Let you go. Like, what are we doing, bro? Like, genuinely, what is this? Who usually doesn't pay out their traders? If you're talking about Apex, Apex has paid me out every single time except for one time. That's because I broke the rules. And I knew I broke the rules. The reason people don't get paid out from them is because they don't know how to fucking trade. It's literally that simple. I'm pulling out of this. Alright, boys. Now I'm going to make 2,600. Let's see, what is that? It's probably like 200. 75 maybe, yeah. So I could never let you go. Yeah, these are stretches. It's looking more probable. Go. Bro, yes. Bro, can y'all not read? It says eval trading. I'll be so if I never let you know. Look at the executions. Love to see it. Make this even bigger for you guys. Alright, let's see it. The reverse TP strat. I'm assuming there's a lot of LR, or honestly, it's like high resistance, but it's a very clear trend right here. Basically, assuming this will just get broken. Oh, this is kind of holding to that trend, though. Not fully. I love you so, I could never let you go. What is going on? This is eval trading to the max here. To the absolute max. Pay methods? I think your card. Anything works. Assuming. Fuck yeah, I think I might have been wrong here. The resistance holding. PayPal might work. I don't know. Y'all can hear the music. I literally just clicked on the fucking some random jump style music. I was listening to the Kevin LeBron edit and then put that bitch on. Bitch was too catchy. Chrome Hearts Range Rover? What? No, that's insane. I think it's just the rims are Chrome Hearts, but it's ridiculous. See, guys, I could have been like this guy. Guys, I just bottom ticked on an eval, but it's all good. Cannot take getting clapped. I'm probably just gonna hold this strong though. They are feeling I just can't deny. All right, guys. I think I have to sell my Lambo after today. Fortunately. Bro, what are you doing? You're not a trader. You're not profitable. You're a scammer. PB trading. L. Let's go find another L. Full transparency. L. Let's see who else lost today. Break even. Okay, this dude actually cooked. But he cooked during London lows. Or during London session. That's not fair. Let's see who else. This dude caught a dub. So far, though, most people I've been checking on took L's. Think a lot on me. I'm basically just holding this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Go into the gym, then come back to buy more evals. Yeah, today is the day to stack up on evals, so I might buy a couple more after this. Not to trade, but I might buy like 50Ks just to have. So then, like when I'm ready to run another 50K stack, I'll just have them. So again, Apex does not run these sales that often. They do, but don't. Bro, please hop off for the day, bro. I'm just chilling. No fucking way. Oh my god, bro. I love you so I could never let you go. You. I love you so, never let you go. I love you so I could never let you go. Bro, this dude's so funny, bro. Peace, and it's just this badass, bro. Bro, wait, what's that dude's name, bro? Is it Aldo? Bro, yes, this dude's actually the funniest dude. Bro, how are we reversing like that? That's ugly. If we inverse 5 minute, I probably will switch biases. Or switch sides. Good way to distract yourself. I ain't, bro. I'm not really losing money. Oh no, I lost $30. Oh jeez, I think I might go broke. Like no, bro. I'm not worried about $30. $30 is what I'm losing here. Oh no. Dinko, dinko, la. Bro, no fucking way, dude. This is the same dude. Bro, the Aldo dude. I had no idea. The Bitcoin man was him, bro. Oh, dude, that's quality content. I can't lie to y'all. Dude, he pulls views, millions of views every single video. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh no, I just saw top 5 auto moments. Wait, I need to see this. Oh my god, bro. Andrick. He has no stop loss. Indeed, I don't. My stop loss is the account disappearing, and that is it. Oh, dude. Guys, this is an eval. Like I don't even know how many times I have to say it. Wait, I can forgot this is all it. Tinkle, ma. I'm never chilled so hard during a stream. I'm just waiting for this bitch to run TP in. Alright, LR is being broken. No, I don't have a strategy. Like, bro. Yeah, it's called the piece of the pie model that I personally created. I'm taking a lot of people's models and kind of combine them to one to make it like very efficient. And that's kind of what I teach my students. And now that I am ready to blow. I can't add more positions, unfortunately. Damn, bro.
Hey Tom, you see those two lizards over there?
Wait.
See how they're flirting? Why go live alone? Hey Tom, you see those two lizards over there?
Yeah.
See how they're flirting with each other?
Yeah.
That makes them lizards.
You know, these will all be stories someday, and our pictures will become old photographs.
Damn, man. Not gonna lie, dude. What the Outdoor Boys dad did, though, is low key the most legendary dad shit you've ever seen, bro. Literally recorded videos of him and his sons camping for years, bro. And all of his kids are just going to go back and look at that shit. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet. Life is beautiful, man. Life is beautiful.
Keyshawn, stop it. Stop the cat.
I've lived in darkness for a long time. Over the years, my eyes adjusted.
You cannot take this anymore. See what? Oh shit! I just have not seen anything y'all have been saying. Okay, yeah, Reggie, I got you, bro. Don't worry. Oh wait, Reggie's been gone. We need to reset people. Not tomorrow's the reset. Like every day is a day to reset. Every single day is a day to reset. No matter what you're doing in life. Every single day you wake up, it's a day to reset. Even just now, right now, you can reset. You don't need to even wake up, have a new day. Just go do something else, and that's a reset for your day. You take a walk, go hit the gym, go do something. Reset your day. Like after this, I'll probably. I mean, I'm not really stressing at all. Like, I'm not blown a couple fun like evals here. Is what it is. Still 500s. You know, I've gone 0 for 2 for the week. It is what it is. Don't care. Cannot take this anymore. Can I see what we can see? I need like a standing desk, low key. If I could just stand and trade, like this would be fire. If I'm just like, wait, hold on. All right, guys. This would be tough. No cap. Let's go, baby. TP, TP. This would actually be so nice. A standing desk would be so goated, bro. He cannot trust no ones. Yep, that's basically it. Blood CP is passing the eval, correct. Some people would just, honestly, unprofitable traders, they'll never really understand a profitable trader's eval thinking until they get to the stage of the profitable trader. It's very true. Tinkle, tinkle, lot on me. Jesus. Damn. Shit gave me chills, bro. Life is beautiful. How good is Apex with their payouts? I think they're amazing. I've only had one problem with them, and that was because I knew I broke the rules, and that's why I didn't get paid out. But that's because I knew I broke the rules, so kind of obvious to not get paid out there. You're sorry for me? I'd be sorry for myself too. Psych! Bitch, I'm living my fucking life. The fuck? Dropped out of college, making over 10 grand a month at 19. Think I'm very much happy with myself. It's vision eclipse. Bro, mentor with 50K account. This dude might be like actually retarded. 50K times first ever payout. First ever payout was only 650 about like 5 months ago, 6 months ago. Not yet. Yeah, I'm 19. 19, living life, bro. Mentor with EMA lines. Yeah, that is right. How I've been trading? Only a year and a half, dude. Only a year and a half. Took me only a year to get profitable. I never had a mentor or anything. But I do say if you have Is that better? Is that better? Is that better? Bro, like, it's an eval, bro. There's no way you can read when it says eval right fucking here. Holy shit. Like, I'm dead ass gonna crash out, bro. It is like, no way you're profitable with that risk management. What does this say? What does this say? Oh my god. What does this say? What does it say? What does it say? What does it say? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what does this say? You fucking idiot. Oh my god, what does this say? Eval trade. Oh my god. Dude, like, this is what makes me never want to stream ever. But I stream just for y'all. Oh, why didn't you get the money from 1,700 profit? What do you mean? How do I pass my evals in 2 days? Well, with Apex, you can pass it in 1 day. Dude, this stream's been going on for 2.5 hours, bro. Oh god. Yes and no. Just depends. But yeah, you can follow your rules on evals, but like, this is still my entry model. This is still what I'm looking for. Just not really to the max. I'm messing up my trade psychology. Not really, because I understand what I'm doing on an eval. Mr. ES. What's my net worth? I don't even know, actually. How does my approach on eval differ from Express? I want to basically just get onto Express as fastball. I don't want to waste my time worrying about $30. $30. Spending a month trying to pass that account, worrying about $30. But then once you get to the funded, you start freaking out. Your psychology's all over the place, and boom, now you just fucked yourself. I think of it as literally just get it done within a day or two. As fast as you can get those evals done, get it done, get to the next stage, and boom. Now you can actually make money. You're just going to waste a whole month over $30 just literally sitting there, not even making a dollar from your trades, just trying to get the certificate, just for you to then go repeat the same process, just for you to maybe even get paid out. I mean, if you're hitting the 3,000 profit target, you can only even get paid out 900 on Apex, or on Top Step, you can only get paid out like 1,500. So, to be honest, I just don't think it's the best idea. I think it's best to just full port. Full port on evals, and once getting funded, that's when you then use psychology. But again, you have to actually be able to consistently pass fundage to be able to full port. Alright, yeah, yes, you can just hop on out of here, buddy. Bye-bye. You still chasing money, you never win. But he can go look at the YouTube. Like, nothing more to say that. Full porting evals, yes. If you know how to trade, full porting on evals is perfectly fine. But if you don't, then yes, it is going to fuck you over. Yeah, don't worry. Yes, he's gone. Anyone who throws a rage bait, they're just getting instantly banned. I don't give a fuck. Instantly banned. Yeah, this PA actually makes me want to just end myself. I hate them still in the charts, bro. I love Apex. Apex is my favorite firm. And maybe I do really like Take Profit Trader. But Apex is just it is the #1 firm for beginner traders in my opinion. If you want to just quickly get a payout, quickly get funded and everything. Bro, Apex literally don't pay out. No, Apex literally just don't pay you out because you're a bad trader, unfortunately. If you follow the rules, you will get paid out. I think TGR is good, but not my favorite. Like, he's cool. I just think there's better traders to learn from. Ouch. I'm sorry, Anthony, but it's the truth. If you have had bad experience with them paying out, it's because you can't follow the rules, or if you're just taking other people's word, it's because you're probably taking a shitty word from other people. And holy shit, we're just getting cooked. I'm probably just gonna let this run to stop. I don't even care. All right. Says, bro, GG nerd. Here, wait. Let's just go ahead and pull up this. Let's see here, YouTube. Let's go on to YouTube here. You can see my stats, nerd. Let's see here, which one is this? Google Chrome. All right, guys, you ready to see something crazy? Ready to see something insane? Andrew, you're a bad trader. Andrew. Alrighty, watch this. 2025 trades. Oh, no, that's boot camp. Oh my god. Alrighty, let's see here. Wait, let's just go back to 2025 trades. Oh, no, that's boot camp. Oh my god. Let me go to my channel. Alright, you guys ready for this? Let's see here. Wait, let's just go back to 2025 trades. Oh, no, that's boot camp. Oh my god. Let's just see something. 3,500, 70 or 7,000. All right, 10,000 and a half. No trade. What do we do here? All right, 1,300 and a half. All right, now we're at 12,500. Now plus another 3,500. What does that make that? 16,000. No trades, no trades, no trades. Break even. We're at 16,000, so minus 2,500. What is that? 13.5. Okay, boom. And then today, unfortunately, minus another 2,500. So in the past 2 weeks, we're up about 11.5 grand to $11,000. So basically, I'm 19 years old and I've done that in 2 weeks. And you're watching my stream, and you're probably still in college, and you haven't probably dropped out, and you're probably not living the dream life like I am. So unfortunately, sorry, that was just a little crash out for y'all. But yeah. For people who don't think anything of it, just click on my YouTube, pal. Just click on the YouTube. You want me to show my Apex dashboard? Let's do it. Let's do it, pal. Hold on, wait. You guys can't see me log in though. Instead of showing your Apex, instead of showing your YouTube, show your Apex dashboard. Okay, I will, pussy. I will, pussy. Let's see your PA charts. Kaboom! Oh my god, it's almost like I've had one account for 54 trading days. Boom, 15, boom, 14. This one's now down, unfortunately. And this one, so these are two brand new accounts. These accounts I pulled out 3,600 on 2 weeks ago. And then this account got pulled out $2,000 about like last week. So there you go, pal. I would love to see anyone else pull up an account that they've had for over 20 trading days. And have had over. I'm literally going to be going for my max payout on this account. So literally whatever I get by the time I'm eligible, I can pull out every single thing out of this account, and I can also go to a 50K live account. Wah wah, wah wah, wah 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 wah. Dumbass. P&L ain't 11K, bro. Y'all are actually so stupid. Money has been pulled out of the accounts. I've already pulled out 5.6 of it. So, all right, 5.6 of it's been pulled out. Add this up, and it probably gets relatively close. But then again, we did lose a little bit of money. Show payout. Okay, there you go, pal. Wah wah, wah 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 wah. And then look, one denied payout here. Only denied because I knew I blew the rules, unfortunately. But in the month alone of May, we're already up 5.6K just from Apex. Yeah, so. Wah, wah. And then we should be eligible, hopefully, for like another 4 grand payout by the end of this week. We'll just have to see. People can hate all they want. I got the results to prove it to them, so they can suck my dick. It took like 3 to 5 days, business days for the money to come through. So wait, who was asking to see that? What was his name? Anthony? Or no, who wanted to see that? Cole. Hey Cole, buddy. Hey Cole, you want to show your payouts now? It's your turn. Let's see your Apex dashboard, pal. Come on, your turn, Cole. Cole, I'll be waiting. Yeah, I use NinjaTrader. Yeah, Cole got real fucking quiet. Wait, let's go put Cole on blast. Let's go look at his account. I love clicking on people's accounts, especially if they got videos. That shit's amazing. No! Oh my god, but look at this chopped ass pussy, bro. Wait, 7-day free trial to what, bro? What is he sending a 7-day free trial to? And what are we reposting? Yo!
Running or chicken burger?
Chicken burger.
Running.
Oh wait, I thought this was like some gay shit. I was like, huh? Big Gains Club Premium. Bro is selling an $115 course and doesn't have anything posted. This is absurd. Everyone go follow this guy. He's obviously a real trader. Come on, guys. He's the GOAT. Oh my god, bro. Insane. Yeah, Cole, where'd you go, bro? Oh, dude, I love when people talk shit, bro. I love it, dude. I love just putting them in their place. It's amazing. It's fucking amazing. Yeah, so literally, I mean, if that's as transparent as it gets, I showed you guys my payouts for the month. I've showed you guys my P&L for the month. I've showed you guys probably what I'll be getting by the end of this week. I've showed you guys my losses the past 2 days. I literally show you guys everything. So, literally, I don't know how to be more transparent. What's the drawdown you're allowed on 50K? On Apex, it's 2,500. Yeah, he really did have to go clock back into his job to put the fries in the bag. It's so funny. All right, well, I'm about to hop off. I've spent way too much time on the charts here. I'm literally fried. Y'all have a good rest of your day. That was honestly, it wasn't like the best stream. I hate that I had the eval trade, but I'm just glad I don't be eval trading anymore. What do I drive? I drive a 2016 WRX. I honestly don't really care too much for lavish cars. Obviously, I do want like an M3 at some point. And do want some nicer cars. But as of right now, dude, I swear I literally just, I love like the older cars. Alright, yeah, but with that being said, I will catch you guys tomorrow at 9:30. No more eval streams. I'm done eval trading. So you guys will see me back on my shit, per usual. But with that being said, I will catch you guys tomorrow at 9:30. Deuces.